Hello and welcome to our instruction guide for our dehumidifier machine. This bit of kit is incredibly effective of drying out places after floods or water damage, or even drying plaster. Basically the machine will build up an atmosphere in a room and then draw the water out. So you need to make sure that all doors and windows wherever possible are shut. It then takes a few hours to build up the atmosphere in the room, and then it will start drawing the water through. Inside the machine there's a water tray which it draws it into, and then the water will escape through the back. Now this is a bit of a crucial part, because obviously if it just drops on the floor it's going to suck it back into the machine again. So you have a couple of options here. One, use a bucket and you put the small attached hose in. Make sure, again, you cover the bucket with cling film so the machine isn't just drawing the water back in the bucket, through the machine, back into the bucket, etc. Another option is obviously to remove the Jubilee clip, put on your own hose pipe and make sure it goes out into a drain or outside or however best. But like I say, wherever possible, keep the room as airtight as possible so it's not drawing the atmosphere from elsewhere. I know it sounds common sense, tray inside, but it has happened before. Water doesn't run uphill, so always make sure that the hose pipe is heading in a downward direction. Like your fridge, if you've ever moved house, it works on compressors, this machine. So it's absolutely crucial during transportation, when you've got it in your position, that it's allowed 2 hours to settle before you start the machine. Again, if you move it to elsewhere in the house, again, same rules apply. It will need 2 hours to settle the gases before you start it up again. Unfortunately, if it does start, it will break the compressors, and that's well, many hundreds of pounds to repair, which obviously will affect your deposit. To start the machine, very easy to use. You just turn it to the 240 volt. We've got another machine that's 110 and 240, but for mains it's 240. So turn it to 240 volt and then just simply press the start button. When you're finished, you just simply turn it to off. As always with these machines, if there's any issues, give us a call. Thanks for listening.